So this is what we're going to wait for before we look to get in any positions. Yeah, there's not really... Let me jump over to the 15-minute quick. One thing that would maybe help me be bullish still would be using standard deviation. Oh, wow. Well, that makes it interesting. We are right inside of 2 to 2.5 as we speak. Okay. Guys, go ahead and just delete this for now. So we're just going to watch how this goes. We want to see if we're bullish now. Or this is our first... One of our first confirmations. Obviously, sell side's taken. That's one. Standard deviation of 2 to 2.5 zone. It's confirmation number 2. I'm going to use the low of this 5-minute order block inside of this 5-minute fair value gap for my target here on this trade. It tapped that smaller fair value gap, and she went, I mean, very, very shallow, almost no retracement back into that. TP1 was hit, by the way. I mean, I'll say this, if price just tanks, that's going to be real tough. I don't know how you're, that'll be kind of hard to catch. But Norberto, if I were you, I'd be risk-free. You hit TP1. Hopefully you took a partial. All right, guys. Yeah, looking like we will be getting short after all. I'm going to get short here quick with micros. So if you're using a lot size, I would just use a much smaller lot size. Just because it's kind of looking like it might run without us. And it ain't really even going to amount to much. If it does. With this size. But what I was going to say is if we pull back into there, I'll tack on some more contracts here for micros. But yeah, either way, this is the analysis right here. And if we work up into here, I'll definitely add on a few more. All right, so I just tacked on some more. That'll be my full position basically. In hindsight, it's easy to look back at this 3-minute and say, well, our stop loss could have been, here. The reason I had mine higher was because there was 1 and 2 minute inefficiencies. That BPR was up here. Right here, right? So that would be the only risk I would have about having my risk on still. Is if for whatever reason price wanted to return here, but at this point, me doing this, managing the trade this way, and even taking the entry I did is me obviously choosing that I don't believe the price will get up there before price heads lower. We'll see if one of these take out the low first. We got some time to kill. If you guys have questions or anything you want me to go over, let me know. But we're just waiting at this point. Tell you what, guys, if anything, if ES takes the low first, I might take my half partial there. We'll see, just because that would be potentially SMT forming. So I guess here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drag this down just so it doesn't get hit. Because I'm gonna have to modify it. But I'll maybe turn this up to 5. Buy back half if this low gets taken out on ES. But yeah, bearish order flow has definitely kicked in. You can see price resisting these up close candles now. Would expect more of the same. All right, kind of jewed me a little bit on a few points there. So here's what I'm doing, guys. What the fuck? Why did it reject? Thank you. That does change my entry up to there. That's very nice. I've seemed to have found when they line up like this, you'll see that full fair value gap get traded through, and almost always, in my opinion, it's because of this volume imbalance. And they just seem to usually tap right off it or do something like this, strong wick. But that's also the benefit of looking at futures charts, because looking at a CFD Forex chart on a 1-minute time frame, you're going to see volume imbalances all over the place. And they're not really even volume imbalances. They're just like, I don't know if they're just liquidity voids on that broker or what the deal might be or whatever. But the futures charts, it's all regulated, it's centralized, so like you know that it's, you know what I mean? You know that it's legit. Now we've got bullish SMT forming at this low. If you guys want to close now, you can. If you want to partial at least, you can. I can't believe we didn't take that low though out on ES. We literally flipped and created new bullish SMT, which kind of makes this look like turtle soup. But I trailed my stop way up into profit, so if it turns here, it turns here. Yeah, about to get tapped out. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So, all right, guys, we took out those lows. That was all we got. We're bullish as fuck right now. All right, so have an amazing rest of your guys' Tuesday. I will talk to you guys later today in the Discord if there's anything for PM session. Otherwise, today was good. You know, winning analysis, winning trade potentially for longs right here, from here to here. And then obviously shorts we took from anywhere in here down to these lows. So all is good and well. All is good and well, guys. Have an amazing rest of your guys' Tuesday. If you guys do need anything today, feel free to reach out to me personally or drop a message in the Discord. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys later today. Have an amazing day, everybody. Talk soon, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.